Hi, my name is Savina, and I am giving a review on this Anker speaker. I love this. I am a Zumba instructor, so I make some content and I make music, dancing with music out in the public, and I just need to hear it. I know a lot of people use their earphones, but I just needed a great speaker, and this is loud enough for me to hear when I'm filming. And also, we use this at parties too, in house parties. It's small and compact, and it's really easy to use. So right here, you have the power button, you have, I can see, oh, so the volume button here, and then you sync it with your Bluetooth, and that's it. It's super simple. So if you want something that's compact, easy to take around, because I just put it in my gym bag, I highly recommend this.